Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Kadam. I have done with my task one, okay, from November batch. So it's on predict percentage score of student based on the number of study hours. That is linear regression problem. So first I have imported the libraries which is required. That is pandas, and for plot I have used matplotlib. So initially I have imported or read the CSV file from a data source and stored as a data frame into df, which have two features, that is hours and scores. So this is our hours is a features. Based on this hours we have to calculate the scores or a percentage of a student we have to predict. So this data set contains around 25 observations with two features. Both are ours are as a float data type, score is integer data type. So after describing, or we can say summary statistics for this data frame, number of counts 25, that is no missing values are there. Then we can see that minimum value is non-zero. So we can further go for an correlation matrix and for EDF. So in correlation matrix that we can see that it's two features are that they are dependent. So course which is dependent on hours. So we get a correlation of 97.61%. So after that I have seen the skewness and distribution of variables. So from that I have observed that distribution and skewness is 0.19 and 0.23 is nothing but it's a fairly symmetrical skewness, that is values are between minus 0.2, minus 0.52 plus 0.5. So no need for a transformation as well. This point we can say it's a scatter plot. So from box plot again I have written that outlier can't be seen, so no need to treat outliers as well. So directly I have gone for an model building. So for model building, yes, I have splitted data x and y. X is our hours, then y is your label, that is target variable. Then we have reshaped, that is two-dimensional array for x and y shape, that is 25 by 1, 25 by 1. And then I have splitted using trend test split with help of x and y with 20% of a test data and 80% of an training data. So first I have created an object that REG, that is linear regression, then fitted on x and y train. After fitting this model I have predicted on x text, and then seen the predicted values, which are this predicted scores I have printed here, that is these are actual scores and these are predicted scores. So to evaluate to see the evaluation metrics, you can see that I have imported mean square error and R2 score from sklearn metrics, right? So we have observed that RMSE is around 4.64 for test and 0.9454, that is 94.5% of total variability of a score variable that is explained by the hours feature or a variable. It speaks that, right? Similarly for trend data I have printed an RMSE as well as R2 score, which is 5.55 and 0.9515. So after that we have observed fitted a regression line. Then again we diagnose the model as simple linear regression. Assumes we have to see that it fits the assumptions. There are 4 assumptions that it should be constant variance, error should have a constant variance. So if you observe that this plot, residual plot, where we get that it's an most of the or data points that are varying between the 7.5 to minus 7.5. So we can say it's somehow it's constant. And from QQ plot also we are getting something around 90.35%. So conclusion is we are getting a good score for test data, that is RMSE is low 4.64 as per the training data, as well as this R2 score, that is 94.5%, that is total variability has been shown or explained by the hours variable. Thank you.